You have 5 to 7 seconds to capture the interest of your target market when they are surfing the net before they've moved on to the next result in the search results list. So you need to do what you can to avoid that from happening. In today's Amplify Business eTip show, I'm going to share with you 3 tips on what you need to do on how to make your blog more SEO optimized so the search engines will find them and your target audience will want to read them. Hi, I'm Susan Friesen, web specialist, digital and marketing consultant with eVision Media, and I bring you these e-tips so you don't have to try and figure out the complicated digital marketing landscape all by yourself. So let's talk about SEO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and it is one of the most important factors every blogger must pay attention to in order to get good rankings in those search engines. So higher rankings not only depend on your blog theme and what you're writing for, making sure that your target market is actually looking for that particular topic to write about, but it's also in the search engine optimized keywords that are in your blog title. So having keywords in your post helps a lot to get better search engine rankings. But another thing to consider is what the blog title says in order to get ideal click-throughs so your target market goes to read those posts. So the first thing that you want to take into consideration is to focus on 1 or 2 long-tail keywords that match the intent of your ideal target market and the theme of that article. In order to do this, you can use Google's Search Console. In Google's free Search Console contains a section called Search Analytics Report. This report helps you analyze click-throughs from Google searches, and it's useful to determine which keywords people are using to find your blog content. Now, the second thing that you want to pay attention to is using main target keywords in your post title. So once you have figured out what keywords to use, those long tail keywords, you want to make sure that you incorporate them into your blog title, because that is what Google is looking for, but it's also what your target market is looking for in order to find answers to the questions that they have been searching into that search engine. And the number 3 tip I can share with you on how to make sure that your blog posts actually get read and found in the search engines is to use a little trick that a lot of marketers use, which is to use numbers in your title. So you can use a number either in the prefix or the suffix of your blog title, and believe it or not, that actually helps with your click-through ranking of your blog post. As an example, that's what I used for this title today as well. And so there you have it, 3 quick and easy tips on how to improve the rankings for your blog post in order for not only the search engines to pick it up and raise your rankings in the search engine results, but also to make sure that your target market is finding your blog posts and actually clicking to read that blog post. So use those 3 strategies for the next blog post that you write. Now, I know that online marketing and social media can be very overwhelming at times. It's hard to know what to say, when to say it, how to say it, and all that fun stuff. So that's why I invite you to check out my Amplify Business Academy. It's an online membership program that I put together specifically for people like you who want to get down to the bare bones, the brass tacks of what to do on social media and on their online marketing so that they can build their business online. The Amplify Business Academy has a ton of videos already stored in the membership platform ready for you to watch and read and learn at your pace and at your leisure. And we add in new 60-minute long training programs each and every month to help build upon your knowledge and expertise. Plus, we have a private Facebook group for you to ask your questions and get all the answers that you need. And every month we have a guest speaker. Plus, I do a live Q&A in the private Facebook group so that you can ask any questions that you have at all about anything, and I'm there to help you. So do check it out and go to www.amplifybusinessacademy.com. Sign up and we will see you on the other side. And hey, if you're liking these e-tips, show me some love and click click on the like button, share this to people that you know would really benefit from hearing this information. And if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and click the subscribe button so that you will be alerted the next time I upload a new video e-tip for you. So that's it for today. Thanks for joining, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye for now.